Howdy team. Today we're going to work on domain 3.3, filtering and sorting a table in Excel. Also how to filter records, how to sort data by multiple columns, change sort order, and remove duplicate records. Let's get started with filtering records. Now one of the things we've been working on is making a table. So you highlight your data, you go to insert, and you create table. Once you've done that, and this says we want our table from A2 down to E21, we say OK with headers. Each one of these columns has a way to sort your data smallest to largest. So if we click sort our data in adjusted budget smallest to largest, our top number will be the smallest number and our bottom number will be the largest number. Let's undo that for a second and let's look at some other ways we could filter information. Maybe this time I don't want to select all. I just want salaries. I want faculty salaries and I want our other salaries. Maybe those are our adjuncts. Then I say OK. Our data is not gone, but we still have our faculty salaries and our other salaries joined together in a meaningful way. Let's undo that filter. So now you know you can filter each one of these columns really quickly in an individual table. The next thing we want to work on is sorting our data by multiple columns. One way we call this is a custom sort. However, on the certification exam, it may not say the term custom sort. Let's go take a look at that. I'm going to highlight our table. I'm on the Home tab now, and I'm going to go way over here to the Editing panel. Under the Editing panel, I have a Sort and Filter box. I can sort A to Z, just like I showed you earlier, or Z to A. So, or that could be descending, the largest value versus the smallest value. But what we want to do when we have to pick multiple columns is do a custom sort. We sort by our columns. These column headings are our adjusted budget, our description, our spent, our encumbered, and our remaining. So those same titles we have up here as column headings. We can sort on the cell values or colors, or maybe we can add some conditioning formatting, and we can also still sort A to Z or Z to A. So let's go back and do those descriptions, which is our first column, and then let's see how much is remaining. So that's our first sort, and we're going to go A to Z, so we're going to keep those in order. I'm going to add a level to do a second sort. This is multiple columns of information. So then by remaining, all right? So that's going to show me how much is remaining from smallest to largest. I want to see largest to smallest. Who still has some money in their budget? So I click OK. You can do several more columns, by the way. I just wanted to show you two today. And it says, okay, here's our description of A to Z. Our benefits people still have $18,000 and $18,234.28. So, I mean, it can make your information of multiple columns meaningful and quickly. Okay, originally in sort data by multiple columns, we did a custom sort. Now in subdomain 3.3.3, it's asking us to change that sort order. So let's take a look at that. We had a custom sort, and we had a sort by description and a sort by remaining. But maybe we changed our mind. Maybe instead of what's remaining, we want to see how much they've actually spent. Yeah, that would be meaningful. So let's change the remaining to non-encumbered, to spent, and let's go smallest to largest. So let's see who's spent the least. We click OK, and now we have the benefits people. Let's do that one more time. I think I may have missed a click there. That happens. Sort and filter, custom sort. We were trying to change from description to the spent column, smallest to largest, and go OK. Oh, I apologize. This is correct. Look at this. Spent. They spent, it's in red. So they spent $6,000 over their budget. Oops. And old participant travel and other expenses and other services spent 0. Our final subdomain 334 is to remove duplicate records. Now, a duplicate record is a record that is exactly the same. So you look at your rows and look at this. Our longevity, I'm going to turn it pink so you can see what I'm talking about. Our longevity, they had their adjusted budget of 200. They spent that 200. They have nothing encumbered and nothing remaining, okay? So we want Excel to pull one of those duplicate rows out. There's no reason for us to have 2 of the exact same as long as every cell matches. So we'll go back to our table design, and on Tools and Tables we want to remove duplicates. So we're in the Tools panel, we click Remove Duplicates, and it's going to say, do you want us to select it all? And yes, we want you to look at everything. And it says 1 duplicate record was found. Now look, longevity is down to 1 pink row. So it found the longevity duplicate and it removed it. That is how you get rid of exact duplicate rows. It will not take a partial row out. And I hope that's been helpful. You guys just go do your best.